What's going on YouTube? Welcome back here. This is the new sneakers I got today, and this one is the updated version. Nike Air Force One Panther Noise 2.0, and this here is the updated version. It's the new version. Factory cost much time to fix this one in the best condition and ready to ship here. Now let me show you details of this one. You can look this whole pair got the white color, and also this piece very special. Very special is the outside got the white color, and underneath got another views. After you crop off the upper, the white layers also, then get another views underneath. I also upload pictures on my web link. If you want to check more details, please check on my website. And then you can look the whole picture here. The side here got the black Nike shoes with the temple leather, and then below got 2 holes, and the bottom midsole is pure white and got a black painting on it. And here got the air letter. And about front here got the holes on the front. And about laces is white, and the last tape is the red last tape, and also I got something print on it. And here got the Nike shoes embroidered there. On the shoe tom got the flowers embroidered, both the same. And about the inner side got the same white background, got the black Nike shoes, and the white midsole with black painting. And about the back side here on the top got Nike embroidered, and then the ear as well. And about bottom, so like this. And this piece is very good design. Also got something with the shoes, got another extra shoe last here, the black one, and also got the last lock. For last lock, got 2 kind cut here. And about the inside, you can look the inside about the shoe height is very colorful, same as the on the shoes like this. Okay, so just have a quick look here, and now let me show this pair on foot. Please hold on. So you can look here. You can see how good the white color, very good to match colors. The white color always enjoy people's love. All details is really good. On the material or workmanship, both are very good. Okay, so that's all for my today's video. Thanks for seeing you next time.